Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video. I am unboxing my very first mechanical keyboard. This one is from IQUNIX. I think that's how you pronounce it. That's how I heard other people pronounce it. And oh my gosh, I am so excited. I thought this was going to come from California, by the way, but it came all the way from China, so it took 10 days from the day that I ordered it. But anyways, look at the box. It is so beautiful. I'm so excited. Okay, so I got this from their back to school sale. So I got it for less than the retail price of $199. This is the most expensive keyboard I own. I mean, you know, that is heavy. So anyways, yes, the keyboard was super heavy. The one thing that I remember from watching other videos when I was researching was that this brand makes keyboard that is like a brick because they're super heavy and super solid and they're not gonna break. That is the Mac keycaps that I will figure out later how to install. And the one thing that was a little bit disappointing in this package is that the cable was actually black when I was expecting it to be white. For some reason, I thought it was going to be white, but anyways, that's okay. I got the super basic keyboard. It basically has no RGB lighting and it is wired, but I'm okay with that for the meantime. Eventually, I would love to get a coiled cable, you know, the super aesthetic ones. I think they retail for at least $50, which sounds ridiculous right now, so I will wait for that. Anyways, look how beautiful it is. I just love it. This one, by the way, is called Grape Milk, and it is purple, white, and green, which is seriously one of my favorite color combinations. By the way, since this is a mechanical keyboard, it means it comes with different switches, and I decided to go for a red Cherry MX switch. It is a linear switch, which means it is quieter than the others. There is also a blue switch, which is clicky and incredibly loud. There's also, I believe, a brown, and then I think they also sell a silver, which is not as common. But I'm like, I'm not really into paying extra for that. Anyways, how about some typing ASMR?